In front of me is Umidigi A3, and let me show you how to change screen timeout on the following device. So at the very beginning you need to reach the settings, then find and select display, and here click on advanced. Under advanced options you will find sleep tab, so smoothly open it, and now you can personalize screen timeout in accordance with your needs. So you can pick 15-30 seconds, 1 to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 30 minutes. It's up to you. Let me choose 30 minutes, and that's it. As you can see, from now on your device would fall asleep after 30 minutes of inactivity. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.